Are you dealing with the Microsoft Visual C++ 120 Library DLL error blocking your work? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'm going to walk you through a safe, verified solution. Before we get started with Microsoft Visual C++ 120 Library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Microsoft Visual C++ 120 Library, the core C runtime library for applications built with Visual Studio 2013, providing heap management, file input-output primitives, and foundational runtime services. It is widely required by mid-2010s applications and games. If missing, programs may fail to launch with messages such as, "The code execution cannot proceed because msvc120.dll was not found." Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ is usually the quickest solution. Go to Microsoft's site, grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and install them to replace the missing file. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Microsoft Visual C++ 120 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. A vital technical reminder: modifying Microsoft Visual C++ 120 Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files. Your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for Microsoft Visual C++ 120 Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Microsoft Visual C++ 120 Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.